tower, China Eastern 561.
China Eastern 561 south.
We need to occupy the runway and wait for the tug after landing, China Eastern 561.
AFM search, stop as you need to. Alpha 58 Sydney Tower, hello, unfortunately we'll be delayed to your departure. Next one to land needs to stop on the runway and be towed clear.
12578, understood.
China Eastern 561, the wind is 220 degrees, 8 knots, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Runway 16 right, clear to land, China Eastern 561.
Commander Tower. Yeah, AFM, they're towing off the runway. It's probably going to shut down soon. I'll just liaise with the tug driver, and they do appear otherwise with the flat tyre to be optional. Okay, Roger, stand by. China Eastern 561 Tower.
Go ahead, China Eastern 561.
China Eastern 561, the tender vehicles on your left are going to approach the aircraft to make sure everything looks okay.
We have CS, China Eastern 561.
Tender 11, West Company is required, enter runway 16 right.
Good morning. Number 342 Juliet Super, Alpha holding short Alpha 1, fully ready.
737 Sydney Tower, good morning. So we do have an aircraft disabled on the runway. The tug is almost at the aircraft. Expect maybe another 10-minute wait. Car 5 with company. Actually, just hold short for the moment. We'll just wait for the fireys to get on, and then we'll get you going. And can you just liaise with the tug driver if they're listening? Do you require the aircraft to be shut down with engines? Car 2. Car 2, Roger. The China Eastern 561, can you shut down your engines, please, and report them shut down?
We need 2 minutes to shut down the engine, China Eastern 561.
Roger, report the engine shut down.
Roger, China Eastern 561. China Eastern 561, all engines have shut down.
China Eastern 561, thank you, sir. The tow vehicle is approaching your aircraft on the right.
Roger, China Eastern 561.
China Eastern 792, Heavy Sydney Tower, hello. Expect about another 5-minute wait. There's an aircraft saved on the runway shortly to tow. China Eastern 561 Tower.
Go ahead, China Eastern 561.
We'll be talking directly to the tow motor, so no instructions will be given to you, and expect to tow shortly.
Roger, China Eastern 561.
Course 433 Heavy City Tower, good morning. Shouldn't be too long since we've got departures going again. Need to soap aircraft shortly, clear. Car 2, copy all vehicles vacated, so the runway first will confirm. Call 578, thanks very much for your patience there. Runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, clear for takeoff, no worries.
Diesel 103, the wind is 150 degrees at 5 knots, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 16 right, Diesel 103.